Hello, geometry students. Today's learning target is to talk about the area of a square. And remember, area is the space inside a shape that we talked about last week, and it's always measured in square units, so feet squared, inches squared, meters squared, etc. And the area of a rectangle is base times height. Some people say length times width, but I'm going to use base times height. So for problem number 2, the area is going to be 12 feet times 35.4 feet. Using our calculator, we'll get 424.8 square feet. In problem number 3, the area is going to be 78.8 yards times 95 yards. Doing that on our calculator, we will get 7,486 square yards. In problem number 4, we're going to work backwards. So we have the area is equal to 4,075.5. And we want to find the dimension that has the question mark on it. So we know the area is base times height. We'll plug in 4,075.5 on the left hand side. The base is 62.7, and I'll leave h to be h. We'll divide by 62.7. Doing that on our calculator, we'll get the height to be equal to 65 feet. Likewise, for problem number 5, we're told the area. So the area is base times height. So 4,099.7 is equal to the base times the height 90.5. We'll divide both sides by 90.5. Doing that on our calculator, we'll get the base to be approximately 45.3 inches. The next two problems talk about a square, and in a square you should remember that all 4 sides are equal. So in a square, all sides are equal. So if a square has a side length of 10, that means all the sides are 10. So the area is base times height, which is 10 times 10, which will be 100 inches squared. Some people do say the area of a square is the side squared. So you could do 10 squared, which is 100 inches squared. In problem number 7, we'll use the formula that I wrote, that the area is equal to the side squared. So since the area is 64, we'll say 64 is equal to the side squared. We'll take the square root of both sides in order to get the side. So each side is equal to 8 inches.